but tonight I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah, come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right.
Hey guys, thank you guys for always stopping by this channel. I am grateful. Thank you so much. Today's video is a sponsored video from Superbwigs. They sent me their Bob Jerry Coil human hair for a review, and that is what I'll be doing for you guys today. So without wasting your time, let's quickly go on with this review. So guys, from Superbwigs, I present to you, guys, we are going to be unboxing this hair together. Let's find out what is inside this box. So let's quickly open this wig so that you can see this beautiful wig from Superbwigs. I've already told this hair, you know, I used to check it out first before coming here to make a review for you guys. So this is the baby. So this hair is called Makana. Just check it out. This is a Jerry coil. I love it, and is 12 inches in length. So guys, check this hair out. One thing I love about this hair is that there is no smell at all. I've tried, I can't perceive any. So I give them good mark for that. So another thing is that their packaging is superb. Their packaging is excellent and wonderful. I love the way they package it. They package, nothing can press it down. So I give them another good mark for that. So guys, you guys know me now. We are going to do every review. That is what I'm going to be giving you guys. We are going to review this hair from head to toe, back and front. So guys, before we move over to talking about this wig, let's review other things that they sent inside the hair. So they added extra strap here in case it's not sizing your hair. You can use this to adjust it. Then they gave me band. You know, if I want to pack it, which I'll be showing you guys later. Then it came with a cap. So guys, about the texture of this hair, I love it. The texture, it's so soft, you know, like it's not strong while you touch it. Touching it is, you feel like, you know, going ahead with the touch. I give them good mark for the quality of this hair. This hair is so, the quality is wonderful. So let's quickly review inside of the cap. So guys, as you can see, inside of the cap is all net throughout. Yeah, this is where I'm supposed to attach my extra strap. This wig came with 4 combs. We have one at the back, then 2 by the side, then 1 at the front. Then another wonder about this wig is the fake scalp. This is the part that is tripping me most. The fake scalp. This fake scalp is everything you need in a wig. This fake scalp make wearing wig very easy for you. This fake scalp gives another unique taste to your wig, and here it is from Superbwigs. You need to check this wig out. So jump into the description box to place your order. I don't want to waste much of your time. Let's quickly jump into testing. So guys, the first thing I'll do is to use my tweezers to plug the hair at the back. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want the hair to look scanty at the back anytime I want to pack it, like updo styles. So just use your tweezers to pick. So what I'm doing here now is just to make the back more lighter. That is all. I had to cut the net off camera because I don't want to waste, like much time in this. So you all know I don't like to use glue on my head. Anytime I'm laying a frontal, I hate glue. So I prefer to use my edge control. Whatever the glue can do, edge control can as well do it. So all you need to do is just apply edge control on your edges, then lay the hair down. In as much as you don't want to carry the hair for a very long time, just lay it down. Apply it very well. Then after that, just lay it. I promise you, this system, I've been using it and it's working for me. So guys, what I have inside this can is just water, so make sure you wet it with water very well. After that, we are going to brush it. Let's see if this hair has a swag. So guys, to lay down the front very well, I used styling mousse. So just fetch little quantity and apply on it. So make sure you wet the hair very well so that when we brush it, we'll see if water has effect on it or not. So guys, can you see that? Oh my god, I love this. Can you see that? I'm just brushing it with my normal hairbrush, and can you see that? You see that it's looking more shiny, and the coils is coming out the more. I love this hair. This hair is beautiful. This hair is pure virgin hair. You need to check the description box. Just wash it. I'm going to go ahead and continue wetting it because I want to really see if water has effect on it or not. So you don't need any hair cream. You don't need to apply anything to make it shiny. What I spray now is just water. Can you see that? The beauty of the hair is just coming out the more as you brush it. So guys, just check this hair out. You will love it. So guys, can you see the difference between the side I wet with water and the other side? The difference is just clear. So laying down this hair with edge control is fun for me. So you need to try it out anytime you want to lay any like 360, full frontal. Try this edge control method. You will love it. So guys, this is the hair for you from Superbwigs. I give this 100%. They did a great job in it. So enjoy the rest of this. Bye guys.
On my way home, stumbling on the pavement, yeah. No sleep in my body, last night got me wasted, yeah. Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound, yeah. I'm pretty sure if I fall down and don't get up, nobody would care, yeah. Don't wanna be alone anymore, so I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, ooh. Might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, ooh. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Headache and sore throat, constantly hungover, yeah. Eating all alone, sleeping on my own. Tell me how to be Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound. Yeah, I'm pretty sure if I fall down and don't get up, nobody would care. Yeah.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly visit the description box to get one of these hair for yourself. Don't miss this hair. Remember, this hair is from Superbwigs and is very affordable. So guys, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.